Hey, how y'all doing? This is Artiz Strouds coming to you with something new. Today, I kind of wanted to try something kind of off the cuff, unfiltered, unscripted. Yes, I have a card here that kind of helps me to stay on track, because if not, I'm gonna be honest with you, as an entrepreneur, I'm kind of all over the place, man. You could ask my wife, you know what I'm saying? So I gotta have one of these to kind of guide and direct me on the conversation, or I will keep rambling and talking on topics. But my name is Artiz Strouds, and in this season of my journey on entrepreneurship, unfiltered, uncensored, what I want to do is kind of take a raw and real approach to entrepreneurship. So, letting you guys as the viewers come in and see my world, what I see on a day-to-day basis, what I interact with. And so this is just for the week of February 10th through February the 14th, the week of love, as they may say. And so I'm sharing with you guys my love for entrepreneurship. Some of y'all may have caught that, some of y'all may have not anyway. But man, this week has been awesome. It's been good. So right now that I make relevant content for those to see the realness and rawness of entrepreneurship. One of the things that I definitely want you to see before we even get started is I want you to see my desk. A lot of times we want to feel polished. We want to be prepared when we do videos. We want to look a certain way to people. You know what I'm saying? And so I kind of want you to see my desk. This is how it's been for the past couple of days. But when I do videos, it doesn't look like this. So anyway, here we go. So as you can see right here, bam, that's my desk. There's my other board over there. What is that? This right here is my that's my calendar. That's my board right there of where I put my to-do things to do. Even down here, you're kind of seeing my chair. I got some old clothes or something like that in there. But man, I just wanted you guys to see the raw and realness of what it looks like when I ain't doing any videos or anything, and I'm trying to get the one thing done. Because I do, the stuff that I preach to you guys about, I really actually do. As you can see right here, I got books upon books, right there and everything. And in my chair over here to the left, you'll see, some shorts and all types of stuff, So when everything is going, I'm not necessarily the best organized person. Well, actually, I am very organized, but on focusing on one thing. And that's what the book, The One Thing, I kind of recommended that to you guys a while back, is it says, as you focus on the one thing for that day to get done, because entrepreneurs should work on, or those who create extraordinary results, focus on event time instead of, an hourly time. Let's say I'm supposed to work for 4 hours, because that's what I do. And I'm focused on this one thing. And if I get this one thing done, then that's good. But if I don't get it done, I keep working on it until I get it done that day. So that's event time versus an hourly time, even though I have a set hourly time in which I work within. So that'll make sense later to some of you guys. Maybe some of you it won't. So with that said, let's go ahead and get into the lesson. This is raw, uncut, unfiltered. So I just share that with you guys so you can see kind of how I'm set up. But I also want to talk about, where all this all started. 2 years ago, I left my corporate job, and I just felt like I didn't have any significance. I didn't have any worth. I felt like my worth was tied up in what I did, you know what I'm saying? Like what you do or what you can accomplish for the company. And I just didn't like the culture of corporate America. I had worked there for 11 years. The company that I was with, I'm not going to name names. I love the company, and I felt like I needed to go through that experience with that company. It's a good company. I feel like all companies are good companies, and you're going to learn good and bad from the experiences that you have. But there was a lot of good experiences that I received from the company too as well. So in leaving the company 2 years ago, I felt like I took 2 steps back in pay and all types of other things, but it was to take 10 steps forward. Originally, I took that time out in order to do life coaching, which somebody encouraged me to do. I studied life coaching and got certified in it. And I was going to do some online businesses via life coaching, but ran into some snags and some things here and there, but it's okay. It's all good. Along the way of that process, none of it was wasted, because I am establishing another business right now that I'm working on, dropping content weekly for YouTube and then also Facebook daily quotes. But while I'm setting up the structure for this new business that I'm doing too as well. And the funny thing is about this is that people don't know where we are currently. It's currently February 14th for me when I started with this new business, and we're still not at a place where we want to be. You may see the excitement and the joy and all this stuff, but let me tell you the real rawness. Man, we got bills that equal up to about $4,000 roughly. Are we meeting that monthly? Nope. But my wife has, after 10 years of marriage, she's been a stay-at-home mom. This has been like the 11th year, man, to help me to live my vision and dream. She applied for a job and got it. So, and I'm also currently driving school buses. It's my temporary place. It's not my place that I plan on staying, but my work schedule has been like, 6 to 9, driving school buses, 9:30 to 1:30, minding my own business, setting up the structure, as well as from 2:30 to 5:30, I'm driving school buses, and so and my wife is working, so it's okay, it's working out. And even with this new venture that we're doing, I didn't have the money for that too as well. We were still in our current situation. And so basically, instead of asking myself, somebody help me to see this, my business coach, he asked me, I didn't say I cannot afford it, because that would shut my mind down. But I said something different. I said something about, or he helped me to do the Robert Kiyosaki thing. How can I afford it? And in doing that kind of birthed that I got a credit card, basically. That's the solution that it came down to. So I put, the business debt on that credit card. And so, but man, I'm living in abundance. I'm still happy. I'm still excited as ever. I'm still hungry. I'm still producing content. And man, my YouTube channel has about 17 subscribers as of now, but I'm not worried about that. This is going to be a huge channel. I know it for sure. And so I'm just dropping content for you guys to get a sense of the journey, to get the feel of it, to see the real rawness of entrepreneurship, and how I got projects up there too as well on my board over there. About one thing, there's 2 projects that I'm working on in February that I'm seeking to get done, and so there's a lot of stuff going on, a lot of life happening, and I just kind of wanted to share that with you guys. And so I'll be doing these weekly episodes in order for you guys to see the raw realness and truth of entrepreneurship, man. And if you have any questions or any comments, please put them below about anything and this is current relevant stuff. So that's what I like to do. You know what I'm saying? I've been going off of this, but it's barely, I've been barely using it, because I just kind of wanted to share my heart with you guys. And so hopefully you're feeling that. So man, hey, that's it for this week. I'm about to enjoy February 14th with my wife, go and celebrate her, and spend this weekend with my kids and do some more work, do some more planning. I really put into practice what I preach, what I'm telling you guys about. You know what I'm saying? If you're going to set up, Sunday, I set my planner and I put in there, I call it the 5 F's. And I stole this from some other people, but when I plan my week, I do it with my faith, family, finances, that's business time, and fitness, which I don't do a lot of, and fun, so those 5 F's, faith, family, finances, which is business, and fitness and fun. So, I don't know if I have some fitness in there. I think fitness for me is more health stuff, because I believe, I believe health is more, or fitness and health is more 80% is what you eat diet-wise, and 20% is working out. And so we'll get on that a little bit later. But man, that is it, that I would love to share with you guys for this episode 1. Please, in the comments, Let me know one thing that you got out of this. Let me know if you want to see more of this, more continuation of this raw realness, of these unfiltered, uncut, episodes. And hey, that's it. My name is Artiz Strouds, and I'm the founder of Artiz Strouds TV, of what this is. And yeah, I look forward to hearing from you guys. Unscripted, unfiltered, and until next time, if there is a next time, hopefully there is, based on your comments, likes, the shareability of this to other people. Yeah, that's it. Have a good day. Peace.